What's up, guys? I wanted to do a video today. I got a 95 Yamaha Waverunner in my garage right now. It's hot as hell. But I wanted to do a video because I guess nobody does videos on this anymore, being that it's an older model. So I want to do one for you guys. Like I said, it's a 95 Yamaha Waverunner. Right now, it's having issues with turning over. It's doing a one-click sound. It's coming from the starter relay, which is right here. This is the starter relay. I put a new one in, and it's still not turning over. It's normally located right here on the side, right next to the gas tank. I'm gonna check the connections. This is the ground power. So first off, there's I always, of course, disconnect the starter relay. Well, you can actually just disconnect the battery as well. To start taking it off, there's 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, and then 3 right here. Secondly, you want to unscrew this. Once you do that, or loosen this up, there's 2 more just like this underneath this. So you want to make sure you get that off as well. This is what I was talking about here. We got 2 underneath it as well. So just unscrew that, or loosen it, I would say, not unscrew. All right, so once you take this off, it should be able to slide right off real easy. There's 8 more bolts, 4 on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you remove those, it will be able to slide right off there as well. It may be a little bit harder to get off, so you may need like a little small crowbar and kind of hitch it right here and pull it off. So, you know, and it takes, for these, you'll need about a 12 millimeter socket. I don't know if you see it here. It'll fit right on there for those. For the ones on top, to take this off, I use a special socket here. It's kind of multi-use. I can also use it for this one, but it's a little bit tighter in there to fit. So I'm going to use this little wrench to get it off. If you have one that kind of angles, that'll probably be better as well, but this one will work just fine. Just so y'all can see which ones I'm doing, I couldn't record with both hands, but I'm taking off. Well, I already took off one right here, but here, those 2 on the bottom, one in this little corner over here, and the bottom down there as well. So that's all you got to do. Once you do that, the starter is right underneath there, and I'll show you in a little bit. All right, guys. So this is your starter motor right here. You got your positive right here, and then right on the back you have your negative, which is a little bolt here as well. So you unscrew this. There's another screw in the back here, and then take this off, and then you'll be able to pull this back out. Again, if it gets stuck or if it's a little tough to do that, just take, again, a crowbar or a small flathead screwdriver and move it out. That's it. This is what I mean by a crowbar, something like this. Or I use well, you can use actually this for pallet jacks actually. But something like this, if it gets stuck, in this case, like it got stuck a little bit, move it just like that, and boom, it's out. That's it. So now I can take it out, and boom, got the starter motor. So this is what your starter looks like. You got your power right here, and then your negative will click on this one right here. And typically how you test it out, you take your battery with some jumper cables, connect the red here, and then the negative, you can put it anywhere on the body of the starter. And this will start on automatically. I should tell you whether it's a good one or not.